How to choose the shape of your bridal bouquet. Every bride knows that wedding gowns come in all different shapes, and that each shape helps to communicate a certain attitude and each accentuates different features. The same holds true for bridal bouquets. Each of the types of bouquets will help the bride say something different. While we're discussing dresses, make sure that the style of your dress matches the style of your bouquet. Sometimes certain dresses and certain bouquets just don't mix. So, to decide on the shape of your bridal bouquet, it is very important that you know what message you are trying to get across. If you're going for the more traditional feel or a wild and loose attitude, the same bouquet will not work. Different bouquets say different things. Steps. 1. Choose a round bouquet for a traditional look. The round bouquet is the oldest and most traditional of all bouquet shapes. It is incredibly versatile, working well with almost all wedding dress styles, brides, settings, and levels of formality. It can be composed of multiple colors, or a single hue, with uniform flowers, or ones of varying sizes and species. The globular arrangement is easy to make, and cheaper to purchase, and allows for the round shape to be made larger or smaller depending on the bride's needs and preferences. 2. Use a loose bouquet for a relaxed tone. The loose bouquet, also referred to as organic or hand-tied, is exactly what the name says. A collection of loosely tied flowers and ribbon, this bouquet lends an air of relaxation and tranquility. They are ideal for outdoor venues or beach weddings. See how to make a hand-tied wedding bouquet. 3. Choose a crescent bouquet for formal weddings. Usually symmetrical, these flower arrangements are preferred for their natural look. The flowers just seem to flow across the hands. The bouquet is thick in the middle and tapers down as it nears the floor. Depending on the flowers used and the length of the arms, the crescent can be made to look traditional or more modern. 4. Consider the flexible pageant bouquet. The pageant bouquet is characterized by long stems. They are usually arranged in such a way that the stems lay against the bride's arm, with the cluster of flower heads near her elbow. This style is great for formal occasions and, if tied loosely, can be ideal for informal occasions as well. 5. For a plentiful appearance, consider the Cascade bouquet. This bouquet resembles a waterfall. The flowers spill out of the front of the bouquet, and are best for formal settings. It does require a lot of flowers though, as the base is bulky and the flowers trail downwards. 6. If you have a big dress, use the oval bouquet. The oval bouquet is best when only comprised of 2 different colors. It is similar to the round style, but is much better at complementing larger wedding dresses, like ball gowns, than many other arrangements. 7. Choose the heart bouquet to symbolize love and affection. One color only. This bouquet's impact comes from the shape of the bouquet, not necessarily the flowers or their colors. Tips. Make sure you shop around for flower prices. Wedding flowers can be really expensive, tying your own bridal bouquets can save you money. Use flowers that are in season to save money. Things. Flowers. A wedding.